गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में एवरीडे इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन एंड स्मॉल टॉक। इंट्रोडक्शन एंड स्मॉल टॉक रिलेटेड डायलॉग्स देखेंगे अब हम। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, हाउ आर यू? गुड मॉर्निंग, आई एम डूइंग वेल एंड यू? I am great, thank you. I am thinking about applying to this course. I have a few questions. Would you mind telling me about the process, please? It's a pleasure to meet you. I am more than happy to speak with you. Please meet me in my office. It's pleasure to meet you, ma'am. Thank you so much for helping me. Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions. Informal introduction related dialogues. Who's the beautiful girl next to Janvi? That's her friend Shanaya. Didn't you meet her at Ajay's party? No, I was not at Ajay's party. Okay, then let me introduce you to her now. Shanaya, this is my friend Arya. Hi Arya, nice to meet you. You too. Would you like to have something? No, thanks. A telephone call. टेलीफोन कॉल रिलेटेड डायलॉग्स देखते हैं अब। हाय अदिति, हाउ आर यू? हाय आर्या, आई वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट यू। दैट्स नाइस, आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू वॉच अ मूवी टू नाइट, वुड यू लाइक टू जॉइन? ग्रेट, इवन आई एम गेटिंग बोर्ड एट होम, विल गो। साउंड्स ग्रेट। ओके, आई विल पिक यू अप अराउंड 7:30, द मूवी स्टार्ट्स एट 8. सी यू देन, बाय। कोइंसिडेंस. Coincidence related dialogues. Hello Arya, long time no see. Hi, what a coincidence. I haven't seen you in ages. What are you doing here? I just got a new job in the city. So I'm shopping for some clothes. Hey, what do you think of this skirt? Well, you know how much I love pink. See, I have got the same skirt. You always did have good taste. Ordering a meal related dialogues. What would you like to have? I will have a white pasta and one tea. And you? I will have a tomato soup to start and paneer chili. How do you want, the less spicy or medium? More spicy. Asking a direction. So asking a direction related dialogues. Excuse me, could you tell me where the supermarket is? Yes, it's that way. You go 3 blocks to Delhi Road, then turn right. It's on the corner, across from the SBI bank. Thanks, I have only been in town a few days, so I really don't know my way around yet. Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago, and I still don't know where everything is. Transportation. Transportation related dialogues. Should we take a taxi or a bus to the mall? Let's take a bus. It's impossible to get taxi during rush hour. Isn't that a bus stop over there? Yes. Yes, oh, there is a bus now. We will have to run to catch it. Oh no, we just miss it. At the movies related dialogues. We would like 2 tickets for the 9:30 show, please. Here you go, enjoy the movie. Would you mind moving over one so my friend and I can sit together? No, not at all. Thanks a lot. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन, बाय।